How's everybody doing? Pizza Wolf Magic here, and I'm bringing you my first tricks. The first tricks I ever learned, I'm going to teach you how to do them. You remember 20th Century Revisited? Well, this is another episode-based series I'm going to be doing. What we got here is Chip the climbing paperclip, and we got his acrobatic rope. Now watch carefully. What we're going to do here is we're going to place Chip on his acrobatic rope. And what Chip's going to do is he's going to go from one hand to the other. Quiet now. Chip's got to concentrate. Let Chip concentrate. Oh, there he goes. Let Chip concentrate. Go, Chip. Come on, Chip. I ain't got all day. And as Chip goes hand to hand like that. Ladies and gentlemen, Chip, paperclip. Okay, now the way I've done this trick is real simple and easy. Get your parents' permission and get your parents' help to take a rubber band and cut it. Cut it like that. Then whenever you place Chip on the paperclip. So when you place Chip on the rubber band, only put him on a wee little tiny bit. Then stretch it. See, the rest of the rubber band's still in my hand. See that? Okay. So you stretch it, and as you, let me get like this, as you let go of the rest of the rubber band, it makes it appear that Chip's flying. So you're slowly releasing the rubber band, and it makes it look like Chip's climbing. So from this angle here, he's down at the bottom. Now you can see the rubber band hanging out the bottom there. Watch, as I release it, it'll look like Chip's climbing. You watch the rubber band release little by little. And that's how you do one of my first tricks. I'm Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic. Thank you.